Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga post ni Sir Nathan Perolino kagabi, yung TikTok live ni David. Ayan na nga, si David in leather jacket. Pang ang probinsyano yung David ang probinsyano ang style, no? Grabe. At next nga ay si Miss Barbie Fortesa, style by genre. Ito yung sa sa Netflix. The pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. O, diba? Ang ganda ng background, niya. Set. At next naman ay post ni Barbie Fortesa sa kanyang Instagram. It's time to celebrate and enjoy the holidays with your loved ones, but do not forget to protect your mouth from bacteria with Hybercin cooling mouth spray. Protect your mouth while keeping it smelling fresh. Let us spray. Ayan. The pretty Barbie. At ito yung Thanksgiving nila nung Team Barbie Fortesa sa bahay niya. At naman, Instagram post ni David Licauco. Ayan na nga. Nag-workout siya. O, diba? David never forgetting to work out. Kaya nga napaka-fit ni David. At ang may abs pa din. Grabe. Mr. Body Perfect. Mr. Picture Perfect. Kung Mr. Perfect, David Licauco. At, ayan. Grabe. O, diba? Next naman ay tweet ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. So, 2 prayer emoji. At nag-tweet naman ng 6 prayer emoji ang Team Barbie Fortesa. So currently, parang ito yata yung Christmas project na isushoot ni Barbie na wala pang details. Pero sabi ni Present Progressive sa tweet, whatever it is, I hope your prayers will be answered. Sabi ni Asan Lee, another blessing, congratulations. Sabi ni Gigi, God bless you, deal with Barbie. At ito naman tweet ni Twilight Madness, Barbie Fortesa or Adelina, disheveled hair, sheen sweat, tapos hot tears coming from just pulled me to your anguish, tamako. Yung iyak mo coming from a place so deep, just bearing your soul. Voice quivering, hands trembling, eyes darting. Ito yung episode kagabi, guys. Let's watch this.
But it's the sweet burning heart through my veins.
Hindi ko sinasadya mga nangyari.
Only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like this. Must have been a deadly kiss. Only love can hurt like this. Only love can hurt like this.
At ito nga tweet ni Army, I can feel it in my bones. Naiyak na lang din ako kasama niya, or Adelina. Ang galing-galing mo, Barbs. Deal with Barbie. My best actress delivered. At tweet ni Josephine ko, super grabing acting nila ni D at B sa episode 103. Grabe kayong dalawa. At tweet naman ni Dasalama Missim, I've seen all of their projects together and this is probably the heaviest scene they've done together. I was bawling my eyes out. It's really hard to admit something you don't want to happen. At nag-tweet nga si Annabelle na grabing acting nila, di ko namamalayan, umiiyak na ako. Barda, kaya nang sumabay sa actingan ng magagaling na veteran actors. Sila ang pinakamagaling sa generation nila. Ramdam mo yung nais na ipahiwatig na emosyon. Kudos. At tweet ni Lantis, Barbie Fortesa, see how your potentials can go. Sana nga marami kang actions na ginawa. Sana sa mga next projects mo, more on actions, less restrictions. You can graduate from crying sessions kasi you prove yourself na. We want to see more of this. Thanks. At next naman, scenes from the TikTok live ni David Licauco for Good Drip Coffee. Let's watch this.
This brand was formulated in Korea and 1 year in the making to. If you remember yung movie namin ni Barbie na That Kind of Love, sumegway ako sa isang manufacturer in Korea. And ayun, I met up with them, tapos they were so nice to me, and then pinresent nila yung mga nagawa nila before, and one of those was, a beauty coffee. So after a year of formulation and pag-iisip ng name, ganyan, so now it's here. Name is Good Drip Coffee.
At nag-tweet naman si KDR na during filming pala ng That Kind of Love na Formula Good Drip, grabe sa pagka-efficient and productive ng CEO na yan, kaya bless na bless.
Q&A, may naramdaman ka ba kay Barbie? Okay yung mga tanong niya. Siyempre, oo, as a friend, super close kami ni Barbie.
Tweet nga ni KDR, gaano ka super close, Charot? Natatawa naman ako na na-maintain nyo ang closeness nyo. The close friendship really adds to the magic of Barda. At tweet naman ni Tingy, hala sinagot, wag nang magpigil ng kilig, di. Oo nga, in fairness, mas kinikilig siya dati kaysa ngayon, no? Mano na siya magpigil. Tweet nga ni Cordelia, pag narinig ko tong as a friend, si Paolo Contis agad na nasa isip ko. Kaya, yung as a friend, iba ang meaning sa akin, tan. Tweet naman ni Cheer, super close na yung gamit, LOL. So another tweet ni Cheer, o yan din, nakakatawa lang na from good friends to super close friends na ginamit niyang words. Something is evolving and yeah, that their friendship, for sure, we know how these two are different from each other. Pero tingnan mo naman sila, oo, nakakatuwa. Di mo talaga makikita na totoo yung sinabi nila about understanding each other and meeting halfway. Ang hirap pa namang humanap ng genuine friendship sa showbiz, kaya happy na ako for this rare friendship.
Best film na kasama si Barbie. I would say Maria Clara Ibarra and Pulang Araw and That Kind of Love and Maging Sino Man. Lahat naman actually kasi iba-iba yung genre.
At tweet naman ni KDR, me as fickle-minded gal, all of the above. Pero true yan, ganda rin ang portfolio ng Barda since iba-iba ang genre. Actually for me, Maria Clara at Ibarra siguro ang pinaka-the best nila. Tapos sa movie naman, syempre That Kind of Love.
Ilang beses po siya iniinom sa isang araw? Depende yan sa'yo eh, kung ano yung tolerance mo sa caffeine. Ako, I drink 3 glasses per day.
At tweet nga ni KDR, woy, grabe yung 3 glasses a day, di ba twice ka lang nagko-coffee dati? Baka nervousin ka niyan. At tweet ni Present Progressive, nahawa na ata. At next nga, ito yung Maging Sino Ka Man interview ni David Licalco. Let's watch this.
Barbie, 3 beses nagkakape sa isang araw.
At tweet nga ni Tingy, ito sis, alam na alam niya, ngayon pareho na sila. Di ba? Sabi ni KDR, ito ba yun? Ha. At tweet ni KDR, good influence, ha. Sabi ni Present Progressive, pero ganun daw kasi mag-handle ng mood swings ni girl. Bigyan ng kape para sumaya, natuto na siya, nahawa pa. Tweet ni KDR, bakit di applicable sa akin to? May specific person in mind ata CD. So grabe, ang dami na ginagayang ugali ni David kay Barbie, pati yung pagiging early sa set, di ba?
Ito lang, lahat ng questions nyo sasagutin ko, kahit mahirap. Go! May free kiss po ba ni David? Meron. Kikiss natin tong ganyan. Tapos, papadala natin sa inyo pag chinek out nyo. And then, magiging singganda ko ba si Adelina pag uminom ako? Oo. Kasi, mas maganda pa. Kaya kung ako ikaw, alam mo yung gagawin mo.
At nag-tweet tuloy si KBR na napacheck out tuloy ako ng di oras. Basta sure yan, David Licalco, na magiging kamukha ko si Adelina. Asahan ko yan? Kasi sabi mo, wait mo yung honest review ko.
Siyempre, relax na relax po.
Yes, relax.
Purchase 5 sets of David Troops Party. Salamat sa discount pag-giveaway. Si David Troops,
Hi, David Troops.
Thank you, David Troops. Sinunod niya to si Godre, para nyo na rin siyang binili. Kasi this is the product po na talaga na siya po talaga yung naging utak ng product. Ayan.
David Troops official. Hi guys, I love you. Was, a beauty coffee. So after a year of formulation and pag-iisip ng name, ganyan. So now it's here. Name is Good Drip Coffee. And marami siyang benefits. It has glutathione, collagen, L-carnitine, and marami pang iba. So, pampa-cute siya.
At next naman guys ay yung video nung bata pa si Barbie Fortes na napaka-cute. Let's watch this.
Sino kayo? Sino kayo? Huwag kayo lalapit!
Di ba napaka-cute niya bata pa lang? Sampal to sa mga nagsasabing retokado daw yung ilong ni Barbie Fortes. Correction, si Jack at saka si Sanya po yung retokado, hindi po si Barbie Fortes. Mahiya naman kayo. At ito nga yung medyo kamukha ng Little Barbie Fortesa, si Miss Olivia Rodrigo. O, di ba? Pang international yung face ni Barbie. Napaka-pretty niya si Olivia. O, tingnan mo, di ba? Medyo Julia Barreto yung itsura. Grabe. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye!